Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to activate Windows 11. All right, as you can see, we are already on Windows 11, but if you are on Windows 10, this is going to be the same thing. So what you need to do first is click on the Windows icon on the start button here, and there's going to be a search bar. This is both for Windows 10 and Windows 11. The interface looks a little bit different, but type on the search bar, Windows Update. And the very first result, the best match is Windows Update Settings. Just click on that. And here is going to be the Windows Update interface. And if you are Windows 10 and you're eligible, by the way, to be eligible for an upgrade or update from Windows 10 to 11, you need to have the Windows 10 OS for a while. And most of the time, you're going to have an option that's going to be showing here. We're going to show a screenshot that says upgrade or update to Windows 11. And it's going to be very straightforward. You just need to click on the next, and pretty much just follow the instructions. Very easy, very fast. Sometimes if your machine isn't too fast, it might take a little bit of time, but most of the time, it's not going to be that long of an upgrade. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.